How to make a text post on Instagram. To get started, open Instagram and tap the plus sign at the bottom of the screen. From the available options, select Story. Now, tap on Create. This will open a blank screen where you can type your message. Once you have typed your message, you can customize it by changing the background. Tap the background icon to select a color or design that fits your post. You can also adjust the font by tapping on the font icon. Instagram provides multiple font styles from which to choose. Select the one that best suits your message. If you want to change the size of the text, use 2 fingers to pinch in or out on the screen. Pinching out will make the text larger, while pinching in will make it smaller. Once you are satisfied with the appearance of your text, tap the 3 dots in the corner and select Save. This will save your text design as an image in your phone's gallery. Next, exit the Story Editor and return to the main Instagram screen. Tap the plus sign again and select Post instead of Story. Choose the image you just saved, then tap Next. Here, you have the option to add effects or filters to enhance your post. Once you have made any necessary adjustments, tap Next again. You can now add a caption if you want to provide more context or engage with your audience. After entering your caption, tap Share to publish the post on your Instagram feed. Your text-based post is now live and visible to your followers. That is how you create an Instagram post with text.